a segment that's projected to touch the $500 million mark by 2015. Today, private label commands a healthy share of modern trade, competing closely with branded FMCG products. With a 5% share compared to peer markets, the room for growth in this space is immense.
I think the private label story in India is just going to go stronger and stronger. The Indian customer is both value driven as well as receptive to trialing out new products. And retailers who can latch on to those two attributes can really get immense success in launching own labels and making sure that the customer derives maximum value at it.
Private brands or private label in India is a far bigger advantage than ever in the West. And even if you go by the Nielsen report which came out about China and India, the pace of development of private label or private brand is much faster than it was anywhere in the world.
The Indian consumer is just coming out of the shell, right? For the first time, they have been able to feel and touch the products, which they were never able to. And that whole phase of experimentation is going to last, and it's going to come in waves.
The food category alone accounts for 76% of total sales in private label, and within this, packaged grocery has a dominant position.
We think to a large extent the rise of private label is being driven by a change in the behavior and attitudes of the new Indian shopper. The factors driving private label are increasing inclusion of modern trade as part of the shopping repertoire, the tendency to experiment, and growing maturity of private label strategies themselves. Additionally, better deals and the ability to approach the retailer directly act as a catalyst. In order to reach and exceed the $500 million mark, private labels will need to play on the retailer's marketing skills to the fullest. By considering the in-store theatre as their playground, retailers need to change both perception and behavior through a smart mix of above-the-line and below-the-line promotion strategies.
India is very underdeveloped. It's not as if the penetration of the brands is 90% and private label is starting today and it has to catch up. No. The good news is both of them are starting together because the consumption is only starting in the last 10 years.
As private labels gain traction, national brands need to focus more on differentiating their products to prevent shoppers from switching. Considering the steady growth rate of private labels through modern trade, it looks as though India's FMCG market will continue to diversify, and with increasing levels of private labels and national brands on offer.